Hi everyone, my name is Miss Essie and I am your Play Ranger here in the land of Junganoo. Hello, hello, hello to you, Dolly. Hello, hello. Today I feel so jolly. Hello, hello. And how do you do? Hello, hello. Welcome to the land of Junganoo. I see something different today. Today I have my friend Miss Snake and my friend Mimi Elephant. We want to cook a meal today. We want to smell things with Miss Snake's favorite sound and with Mimi the Elephant's favorite sound. Miss Snake's favorite sound is S, and Mimi's favorite sound is When we put it together, we have Smm. Yay, this is going to be so much fun. We get to cook and smell. I like smelling different foods. Do you like to smell? I love smelling. Smelling is so good for our brain. So ready? Let's go. Say hi, Miss Snake. Hi, Mimi Elephant. Oh, Miss Snake and Mimi Elephant want to make a treat for you. Sss. That's the sound Miss Snake makes. Sss. Can you say that? Yay! And that's the sound Mimi Elephant makes. Can you say that? Great job! Let's put it together. Ready? Smm, smm. Can you try? Great job! Smm, smm. Hey, that makes me want to smell some things. Hey, Miss Snake and Mimi Elephant, you smell good. I like to smell. Okay, well, I'm going to help make a treat for my friend Miss Snake and Mimi Elephant. Would you like to help me? Yay! Okay, I'll see you guys real soon. Okay, let's practice our sound one more time. S. That's Miss Snake's favorite sound. And there's Mimi Elephant's favorite sound. Are you ready? Smm, smm. That makes me want to smell. Smell, smell. I can smell everything. Smell, smell. I smell food. I smell a flower. I can smell everything. It gives my brain power. Smell, smell. I can smell everything. Smell, smell. I can smell food. I can smell a flower. I can smell everything. It gives my brain power. Smell. Yay! I like that song. Okay, we're going to practice smelling and cooking. Hey, I have a great idea. Maybe you can help me cook. Yeah, that would be a lot of fun. And maybe you could even help Mommy and Daddy cook, or any grown-up at home. It's fun to cook. Yay, I'm so glad. Okay, are we ready? Gee, what do I see? I look up, I look down, I look all around. I see things to smell that Miss Snake loves. I see saltine crackers. I see syrup. I see salt. I see soy sauce. And I see salmon. I think this is going to be yummy, yummy in my tummy. Let's see what else I see. Oh, I see things that Mimi Elephant likes. I see molasses. I see mustard. I see mint. I see mangoes. And I see mushrooms. Wow, these are all wonderful things that we can cook with. More importantly, these are wonderful things that we can smell. Let's practice. Are you ready? Yay, me too. Okay, well, I'm going to smell my salmon. Wow, salmon smells fishy. Ooh, I smell salmon. Can you smell? Yay! Well, let's see. Let's see if we can smear some mustard on my salmon. This will be so much fun. You ready? 1, 2, 3, squeeze! Wow, mustard on my salmon. Let's smell the mustard. It smells so mustardy. Do you have mustard at home that you can smell? Go ahead, you get the mustard and I'm going to smear my mustard on my salmon. Hey, I can smear. Okay, go ahead, I'll wait. I'm just smearing. Smell. Smell. I can smell anything. Smell. 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 I can smell food. I can smell a flower. I can smell anything. It gives my brain power. Smell. 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 Hey, do you know that smelling really helps your brain to grow? Yeah, it really does. So you have to practice smelling all fun things at home. Okay, I think that we smeared enough mustard over my whole salmon. That's going to be fun. Well, let's see if we can crush some saltine crackers. Hey, I have my crackers in a bag, and I can start to pound and smash. Hey, it's fun to smash saltine crackers. Wow, ready? Smash, smash, smash. Ooh, this is fun. Can you smash saltine crackers? Yeah, go ahead and get some. It's fun. We're smashing saltine crackers into little pieces. Wow, look at that. Hey, I know. I can smudge my saltine crackers over my salmon and my mustard. Wow, that's a lot of fun. Oh my goodness, what are we making here? We're putting on saltine crackers. It looks like breadcrumbs. How smart to use saltine crackers as breadcrumbs. Hey, we are smart. Yay, that's a fun word. You are smart. Me too. I'm very smart too. Well, let's see what's next. I know. Let's use some molasses. That's weird. Let's see what that smells like. It smells sweet. Almost like syrup. Let's put just a smidge of molasses. Just a smidge. Ooh, a smidge is just a little bit. That's fun. Okay, I think that's enough. Hey, let's use some syrup and make this even sweeter. Let's see. Ooh, now that smells like sweet sugar. I like syrup. Ready? Let's pour a lot of syrup on our salmon mixture. Wow, that's more than just a smidge. That's more like a smudge. That's fun. Okay, what else do we need? Hmm, I know. Let's put some mangoes all around our salmon. That's kind of fun. Do you have mangoes at home? Oh, I forgot to smell my mangoes. It smells mango-y. I like mangoes. I think our salmon is going to be so sweet. How about we add a little soy sauce? That smells like soy sauce. This is fun. I think we need a little bit of mushrooms. What do you think? Yeah, we're adding some mushrooms. Because that's Mimi Elephant's favorite foods. And now I think we need some salt. Just a little bit. Just a smidge. Well, that's very smart to add some seasonings. And now, last but not least, let's use some fresh mint. Ready? Ooh, I like mint. Let's break some mint. Oh, I forgot to smell my mint. Oh, that smells so minty. I like smelling. It's so much fun. I think we need a little more salt because I forgot to smell my salt. I need to remember to smell things. It smells so salty. Oh, wow. I think we used lots of favorite foods from Miss Snake and Mimi Elephant. And when we put them all together, we get to smell. 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 I can smell everything. Smell. Smell. I can smell food. I can smell a flower. I can smell everything. It gives my brain power. Smell. Yay! Okay, I think it's time we heat this food up in the oven. Remember, you have to get a grown-up to help you, and we can heat this up. And when it's all done, we get to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. This is going to smell really good. I hope not too smoky, but it will smell good. Okay, here we go. I think that our salmon is finished. Let's take it out of the oven. Wow, I smell lots of syrup, lots of mangoes, mushrooms, and salmon. I even smell the mint. Oh, it smells so yummy. Well, I think we give it a taste. Are you ready? Let's cut a piece of the salmon, put it in our plate. I think I'd like to add some mangoes to that. And some mushrooms. This is a really silly combination, but it's fun to mix different foods. We mixed foods that Miss Snake likes and foods that Mimi the Elephant likes. So we can combine them and then begin to smell. Ooh, I see smoke. It's hot. Remember to blow. 1, 2, 3, blow. It's spectacular. Wow, we made such great food. I like salmon. It's very healthy. I taste some of the syrup. I taste some of the molasses. It tastes yummy. I think I'd like to try my mango. Tastes so sweet. It smells sweet. I hope you can get some fruit and start to smell some things. Yeah, you can help mom and dad in the kitchen. Yeah, you can help any grown up in the kitchen. It's fun to mix foods. Oh, I love this food. I think I'm going to bring some to Miss Snake and Mimi the elephant. I think they'll like it. Do you? Oh, you're right. Now that you smelled, it's building your memory, and you remembered to get our Love Myself mirror. Thanks for reminding me. I am smart. Smart. Yeah, I am smart, and so are you. I am smiley. Yes, I like to smile. It makes me happy. Yeah, and it always makes us feel good. Even if we're having a bad day, just look in the mirror and start to smile, and I bet you'll start to feel better. I am smitten. I am smitten with you. I just love you so much, and I love spending time with you. So thanks for joining me. And thanks for remembering. See what happens when you start to smell? You build your memory. You build all that brain power. That's wonderful. Well, thank you, my Love Myself mirror. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for reminding me how wonderful I am. Well, it's time for me to go. I think that Miss Snake and Mimi the elephant are really hungry. We have to go find them and feed them some of this yummy, yummy salmon. I'm so glad we did this today. I hope you had fun. I know this was a little different, but it's fun to cook. Cooking is always the best way to get ourselves talking and remembering and building our smarts. You are smart. Remember that. I love you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you, Dolly. Goodbye, goodbye. Today I feel so jolly. Goodbye, goodbye. I will miss you. Goodbye, goodbye. I hope to see you soon in the land of Junganoo. Bye for now, friends. Bye bye. And remember, keep smiling. Yay! Bye bye. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.